outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sandia. If you're new here, welcome to all of my returning subbies. You don't know. Please don't forget to like, share, put your notification bell on, and before you leave, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button. In today's video, I will be doing Tablescape number 2, and I am just going to tell you guys how I did it and what I use. So here are the items that I use, guys. This beautiful gold vase I picked up at Ross. I actually picked that up like about 2 days ago. And then the one with Mr. on it, I picked that one up about a year or two ago from Home Goods. So those are the champagne glass and the wine glass that I'm using. I will have a Mr. and Mrs. at each end of the table, and then a mix and match of those champagne glasses right throughout the table. So this beautiful poinsettia flowers, guys, I got it from Hobby Lobby. It was actually 70% off. My utensils came from Amazon. These beautiful gold shrimp plates, I got these from Home Goods. The napkin came from Home Goods as well. My charger I picked up on sale from Marshall's, and my placemat is from Home Goods as well. Guys, my table runner, this beautiful table runner, should I say it's a table runner? Well, actually that is my floor mat. It's actually a rug. I used it before. So this pillow I got on sale at Home Goods about a year or two ago as well. It was actually $8. So I did got that on a steal. So these beautiful reindeers, guys, I picked this beauty up at Hobby Lobby. It was actually on sale. I picked that up a couple days ago. They're having a 70% sale. So if you guys are looking for stuff like this for next year, go ahead and get it done. And these beautiful diamond stones, I actually picked these up at the Dollar Tree. These are so beautiful, guys, and I'm enjoying seeing them on my table setting. So this candle holder, I showed you guys this some time ago. I've been using it in the space. I picked it up at Ross. These LED candles that's sitting in it, they came from Home Goods. So I'm just showing you what I have on this setting. These plates, guys, they came from Home Goods. As I told you guys before, the charger came from Marshall's, and this beautiful placemat. I just love this guy. It's deep, it's rich, that green, it's fabulous. I got that from Home Goods last year. So I'm just mixing all shades of green, as I told you before. And this table setting will actually be in my home tour. Here I'm showing you some glass that I picked up as well from Ross. These are so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. And they are, what I have here is some champagne glass and some wine glass. These are gorgeous. This one is actually from Home Goods. So I picked this one at Home Goods, but they are so beautiful and so rich looking, and I'm enjoying the way that this table setup turned out so beautifully.
Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down.
Here is the Mrs. glass that I was telling you guys about. So I pretty much have it on the area that I would sit on the table. This is the twin, or I would say the sister to the brother. This white, beautiful. I just love these reindeers. They are so fabulous. I am looking reindeers, and I'm showing you the other side of the table setup as well. I cannot get over my rug. I just can't get over my rug. I used this rug before on a table setting. Also, guys, I'm showing you my two skinny trees as well. I cannot get over it. So guys, I forgot to show you what I'm using as my centerpiece, and these beautiful, when I tell you, I just love these floral picks that I have in this vase. I picked some of them from Ross, some came from Michael's, and some of them came from Hobby Lobby. I showed you guys this setup before, but I never showed you. It's literally sitting on a wreath that I picked up at Hobby Lobby as well. Those are my beautiful chairs, guys, that was gifted to me by Costway. I am just doing my own little thing with them, but yes, I am so enjoying those chairs. They are so beautiful. They have my space looking so rich and elegant, and I am loving it. So over on this side, guys, I have my beautiful setup that I set my coffee bar in. I brought in these cups and saucers that I use for my setup. These teacups are rich looking. They are gorgeous. I picked these up from Home Goods, and I am loving these. They make my space look so elegant and rich. I think I picked these up earlier this year. I had like 3 and I got another one recently. So if you guys are looking for these are actually in Home Goods right now. I sit these on the second shelf on my shelves at my coffee bar area. On this bottom shelf, guys, I have some pieces that I picked up at Ross. Now, all of these pieces I got from Ross, including this beautiful, I just love this kettle teapot. Is it a teapot, right? Yes, so we call it a teapot. So this teapot is so pretty. I have the sugar holders, the milk pourer, and I got 2 of each. So I got 2 of each because it was 2 different sets. The price was reasonable because these were like $5, $4.99, $5. So that's the reason why I decided to get them. And they make the space look fabulous as well. So it's a win-win in that regard. On the bottom shelf, I have my area where I put my coffee, my creamer. I also place like my tea bags and everything down there as well. And I also got me I went into Sam's Club and I found some cupcakes that were red velvet. So I said, you know what? Let me just get these and try it. This little white thing that I'm touching is actually to stir my beverages that I will be making. So the space is looking so fabulous, guys.
I hear an angel choir singing.
So this beautiful set, guys, I picked up at Ross. It has 6 pieces in it. I love the storage that it came in, that little box that you're gonna store them in. I just love this, guys, and these are actually in Ross as we speak. I think I picked them up like about 2 days ago, and they still have more. This beautiful floral pick set that I have here, I picked that up at Burlington. And this coffee, then the world sign, I got that from Ross. My beautiful peacock bird, guys, I got that from Ross as well. I actually got these on a sale a couple days ago, so you guys can check your Ross out to see if they still have these in stock. These are actually buy to use for next year, but I'm actually showing them in the space because you know what, Christmas is not over yet. So here's the space, guys. I'm just showing you what everything looks like, what it turned out to be, and I am enjoying this beautiful space. Guys, look at my nesting. Every time I look at my nesting, I feel so accomplished. Like seriously, I love my nesting. And this is a space, guys. So I'm just gonna leave it here and let you guys just enjoy the scenery.
Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing.
I just want to say a special thank you to each and every one of you who have stuck with me and riding this wave with me throughout. I want to say happy holidays. I wish for you a prosperous new year. I wish for you all God's richly blessings. And I also wish for you guys to stay safe, stay blessed, take care of each other, love upon your family, kiss each other. Don't fight, guys. It's Christmas time now. Please be safe and be blessed. And I will see you in the next one. And I love you so much. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and take care of yourself. And maybe sooner next time. Bye-bye.
There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table When December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby.